Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Pierce team, out here with a day 2 update in Blue Springs. So as you can see right here, we have our forms that we're finishing getting set up right now. We got our rebar in place. So here in about a couple hours, we will be starting to pour the concrete for this new bulkhead wall. So between now and then, we'll be getting a little ramp kind of set up here. It's very, very tight quarters, but we'll figure it out and make it work. But yeah, we're just getting everything finalized here. So tomorrow, once all the concrete is poured, we'll be able to get these forms removed. We'll get that front face of the bulkhead wall that's going to be right here. We'll get that smoothed out, looking good. We have another little section right here just to even out this little part, little shelf here. But yeah, tomorrow we'll get these forms removed, get each of the faces of the two walls here smoothed out, looking good. The rest of tomorrow will probably be spent getting the walls remortared here all the way around. Really shouldn't take that long, but we'll see how that goes, because once all the walls are done, all that's left is just doing our stone foundation renovation process on these two, or on the walls down here in the cellar. So once that mortar has dried, we'll be able to paint the walls with white DryLok waterproofing paint. And then the last step will be just pouring a 3-inch cap on the existing floor here. So the big part of this project is today getting everything in place to get the bulkhead wall poured. So we'll see how that goes. That's going to take up all of today, just to get these two sections poured here. So stay tuned. We'll be back out here tomorrow so you can see how everything looks once the concrete is done. You can find those updates always on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Pierce LLC if you have not visited those pages before. And please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. We really appreciate that. We try to do as many of these video updates as we can. So yeah, this will be a very good before and after. All of the just like our stone foundation renovation jobs, it's a really, really big difference that you can see from when we start to the finished product. So I would highly encourage you to take a look and compare the video we took yesterday and today, and the final videos that we get taken probably Monday or Wednesday when we're finished up. But again, you can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and you can always give us a call at 1-816-288-4373.